Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to make one of Jamaican's favorite Sunday evening drink, carrot juice. So delicious, guys, creamy and all that. Yeah, and you can make it with stout or without stout. Here we're going straight into the video. Here I have some carrots. I'm going to show you how I scrape off the outer layer, just like that. Yes. And I'm going to cut both ends off, rinse well, cut into chunks and put to boil until completely tendered. Then we'll come back to the video. Okay guys, jumping back right into it. Here's my cooked carrots, my cinnamon powder, my grated nutmeg, vanilla, my Guinness stout, you can totally omit that, and my condensed milk. And I'm going to pour the carrot with the water and all in the blender. Blend until smooth, and then I'm going to add my condensed milk, my stout, and my spice. Self-explanatory, just keep on watching, guys. How creamy it is, guys, and thick. Yes, just because we've fully cook the carrot so we don't waste anything. And here I'm just going to pour over ice. You can just put it in the fridge to cool, but I'm going to pour over ice. Garnish with some cinnamon powder, but that's optional. And then you can serve. Hope you guys enjoy this video, learn something. Please like, share, comment, put the notification bell on, subscribe if you haven't, share with a friend. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.